Exercise 31 says, a small warehouse employs a supervisor at $1,200 a week, an inventory manager at $700 a week, 6 stock boys at $400 a week, and 4 drivers at $500 a week. So I'm going to just go ahead and write this out. We got $1,200, one supervisor, the inventory manager's at $700. The stock boys, there's 6 of them, are $400 apiece. One, two, three, four, five, 6, and we've got 4 drivers at $500 each. Okay, it says find the mean and median wage. Okay, so for the mean, we can just add all of these up. All right, so I'm going to go 1,200 plus 700 plus 400 6 times, or plus 500 4 times. So I'm going to just add 2,000 there, and so we get a total of 6,300 divided by how many employees do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we get the average, the mean to be 525. That's the mean. Okay, the median, on the other hand, we have to rearrange all of these from smallest to largest. Okay, I'm going to go just abbreviate these each to just drop the 2 zeros off of them. So I'm arranging them from smallest to largest. We have 6 stock boys at 400 apiece, 4 drivers at 500 apiece, and then the inventory manager at 700, and the supervisor at 1,200 per week. Okay, we have a total of 12 numbers, 6, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 plus 1 divided by 2 is going to be 13 divided by 2, or 6.5. So we find the number, the 6.5 number. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half number. So this is going to be the median right there, between the number between 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. So coming from the other way, it's also 6.5. So the number that's in between 400 and 500 is going to be $450. Part B says, how many employees earn more than the mean wage? So the mean is at 525, and so there's only 2 employees that make more than 525. That's the supervisor, and the inventory manager. So only 2 people earn more than the mean wage. Which measure of center, Part C asks, which measure of center best describes a typical wage at this company? The mean or the median, okay? And I would say the median does a better description of the typical wage earner, which is going to be the 10 people who are either the stock boys or the drivers, who earn $400 or $500. And there's only 2 people that earn more than that, or 2 people that earn significantly more than that, and that would be the manager and the supervisor. So I would say the median is better for describing the typical wage. Okay. And Part D says, which measure of spread would best describe the payroll, the range, the IQR, or the standard deviation? Oh, I'm sorry, we're skipping Part D. Anyway, well, I'll go ahead and answer it, and you're not expected to know this, but I would say the IQR is going to be the best here, because the IQR is best for distributions with skews or outliers, and in this case the supervisor would be something that skews the distribution. But anyway, parts A, B, and C, we have the mean, the median, and that's that for problem 31.